discuss about the evaluation scheme of electrical machine 2. If we are talking about evaluation scheme of machine 2, this will be the this is the electrical machine 2. If we are talking about internal is 30 marks for a class test, and teaching assessment consists of 20 marks, which is split into two parts. 10 marks is assignment and remaining 10 marks is attendance. Total 50 marks is the internal marks and external marks is the 100 marks, and total marks is 150 marks of electrical machine 2. This is the evaluation scheme of the electrical machine 2. This is the important and core subject of electrical engineering student, and after that we will discuss about the course outline. What are the topic which we will cover in a course of electrical machine 2. Now we will discuss about the syllabus of the electrical machine 2. Syllabus of the electrical machine 2 consists Unit 1 consists synchronous machine 1. In a synchronous machine 1, we have to discuss about the synchronous generator. Basically, synchronous machine is used as a synchronous generator and a synchronous motor. Now, Unit 1, we will discuss about the synchronous generator and simple construction of the synchronous machine. In a construction of synchronous machine, there are two type of synchronous machine. First is cylindrical synchronous machine. दूसरा जो second is salient type synchronous machine. Both machine are used as a generator and as a motor. In a synchronous machine 1, we have to study about construction feature, armature winding, EMF equation, winding coefficient, equivalent circuit and phasor diagram, armature reaction, open circuit, short circuit test, voltage regulation using synchronous impedance, MMF method, pointer triangle method, voltage and frequency control of the alternator, parallel operation of synchronous generator, operation on a infinite bus, synchronizing power and torque coefficient. In a unit 1, we have to basically study about the synchronous generator, and after that in a unit 2 we have to study about two reaction theory, transient and subtransient reactance, power flow equation of cylindrical, salient pole machine, operating characteristics, synchronous motor. Here we will study about the synchronous motor. Synchronous motor is limited uses in industry, and it is widely used as a synchronous condenser. This is the starting method. effect of bearing field, different current at a different load. We have to study the characteristics at a different load. A V curve, hunting and damping, synchronous condenser. Synchronous condenser is an important device for a distribution system. V curve is an important topic, always asked in external exam. Now we will move in next topic. Next in a unit third, three-phase induction machine we have to study in unit third. In unit third, we have to study construction feature of three-phase induction motor, rotating magnetic field, principle of operation, phasor diagram, equivalent circuit, torque and power equation, torque slip characteristics. Torque slip characteristics is the important topic for external point of view. This is the important topic for external point of view. No load and block rotor test, and finally we have to study efficiency. No load and blocked rotor test is an important topic, always asked in external exam. Now we move to three-phase induction machine 2. In a three-phase induction machine, we have to study about starting of three-phase motor, three-phase induction motor, deep bar and double cage rotor. We will discuss about the deep bar and double cage rotor, cogging, crawling, speed control with and without EMF injection in a rotor. These topics are covered in unit 4. This is the three-phase induction machine 2. And now we will discuss about the final unit of this course, single phase induction motor. Single phase induction motor is काफ़ी important device which is widely used in house uses. The double revolving field theory is the working principle of the single phase induction motor. This is the important concept which is always asked in sessional as well as external exam. Then we will discuss about the equivalent circuit, no load blocked rotor test, starting method of starting method. Starting method is the important topic in a single phase induction motor, where repulsion motor and inversal motor is widely used everywhere in house uses. These are the outline of the electrical machine 2. In this course we have to study this topic. In this course we have to study this topic. Thank you very much.